of calories, we have basic lot of the paper go into the basket and share some exercise with you. Hi, hello everyone. Myself Mohammed Shafiq, physical education teacher at PMSA VHSS Chapanangadi. Today I came up with this video to make you know about some interesting type of exercises that you can do at your home for improving your physical fitness. We are all in the lockdown stage. We can't go outside and for the play. Our students are not coming to the schools, not walking, not running, not jogging, nothing is going on. But we can do up to an extent of physical exercises from our home itself. Today in this video, I will show some simple exercises, some hopping exercises, jumping exercises, what you can do with your family members. If you want to make it more interesting, you can add your family members to it. So the session will be more interesting and funny. I had included my my daughter and son in this video session for doing the exercises. We just only need some A4 sheet, or if A4 sheet is not there in your home, you can use chart papers shape like this, or if even chart paper is not available, you can use some old books or old sheets which is square in shape. So after doing the exercises, we can also have a game in this video. We are going to have a very much interesting game. We are going to play very much. Students, you just include your parents in to play this game, whether they are old, whether they are young. Include the game to have more fun and for the relaxation also. Dear students, kindly place the paper A4 sheet around 60 to 70 centimeter apart from each, and note that the surface is not slippery. Are you ready for doing the exercises? The first exercise is to hop, double leg hop. You should not stamp on the paper, you should stamp on the given area. You should jump over the paper. The second exercise is single leg hop. We are starting with the right leg. See, every exercises you have to do 3 to 5 repetition consequently, and after each exercise you can take a 1 minute rest, and the next hop, single leg hop with the left leg. I am doing 3 repetition individually. Now the next exercise is side side hop. First starting with the right side, and the next session starting with the left side. You have to do it very carefully, don't get slipped away. The next exercise is very much interesting. It is zigzag shuffle running. You have to jog back to the starting point. At least 3 to 5 repetition you can do easily from your home. To add more fun in this exercise, you can add your family members also. Right now my daughter and son are there with me to do exercises with me. Okay, the session will be more interesting if you add your family members to the group to do these kind of activities. It was really very much funny. We had a very great session there, and also I had add more exercises, more repetitions with me. First of all, we have to make them learn. Those who are younger, we have to make them learn. We have to make them we have to show them what kind of exercises we are going to do at least. So they were all fully active with me for doing the exercises. They were very much interested. They were telling that Papa, I can we want to do more that like that. So it was very much interesting. You all have to do this type of exercise, which is very good for your health, and kindly do it. Maintain your health don't have junk food and all. Doing this type of exercise is very much enough to getting the daily requirement. Dear students, how was the exercise? Did you done the exercises? Did you picked up the A4 sheet or chart paper with you and you had done the exercises? Okay, if you had done the exercises, so what was the changes in your body when you were doing the exercises? Did your breathing rate was more or less? Did your heart rate or heartbeat, what we say heartbeat, was faster? Did you feel tired? Or also did you get sweating was there? And also, did your energy level was the same at the starting to when you were starting the exercise and up to the end, the energy level was the same, or whether it is reduced, or did you feel more energy after doing the exercise? Whatever all the changes there in your body while doing the exercises, what was your experience when you were handling these types of exercise? Kindly comment in the WhatsApp group of PMSA Chapanangadi, then I will give the answer for you. Okay. Now we are going to play a very interesting type of game, putting the ball into the basket. The name of the game is putting the ball into the basket. Paper, we are making a ball. Each paper we are folding it. We are making a shape like a ball. We have 5 papers. So 5 papers will be getting in a size of ball, and they will be basketing in the stool. You know, we all have the stool like this. See here, the stool we will put upside down, and here one hole is there. Inside this hole we are going to put at least from 1, 2, 3, 4, at least from 5 meters away. Here we all will stand, 4 meters away. It's enough. So it is an accuracy test. You can put the paper ball into the basket, underarm or overarm, anything you can choose. Okay, are you ready? Master Raihan Ali is ready with the 5 paper balls to put into the basket here. When I count 1, 2, 3 start, he will start. Okay, Raihan, are you ready? Okay, start. You will get 2 chances. One got basket, in gone basket. Only one has got, 2 gone. Very good. 2 had gone and 3 outside. You will get 2 chances. Okay, 2 chances. 2 had gone up. No. Yes, gone. Yes, 2 gone. No. So 4 in the basket. You got 10 chances. In that 10 chances, 4 had gone. Okay, now Sheza's chance. Sheza, we will see how many baskets she is going to do. No. So second chance you are going to give. Take time. Collect it fast. Come back. Okay, do it. No, it's not going into the basket. 1 had gone. Yes, very good. 2, very good. Yes, 3, very good. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, one more basket. I will win the match. One more basket. No. Yes, I had won the match. So students, how was the session? Was it interesting or not? Please rate in the comment, and also see here, I'm sweating a lot. I had put lot of calories in doing the exercises. So you can include your father, mother, and also your brother, sister also for doing the exercises, for making it more interesting and all. I will upload more videos. Keep in touch in the WhatsApp group of PMSA. More videos are coming related with health and physical education. Thank you.